To fix, Windows Update Cleanup Not Deleting in Windows 11. Click in Search, type Services, then select Run as Administrator. In the Services window, find Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right-click on each one and select Stop. Now right-click on Start and select Run. Copy and paste the following path, then press Enter. Open the download folder and delete everything inside it. If Windows says some files can't be deleted, make sure both services we told you before are completely stopped before trying again. Once the files are deleted, click on Start and restart your computer. After the restart, open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates. Windows will automatically download any required update files again. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.